Alright, so today we're checking out this hair dryer. Here's the model number. Where is the model number on this hair dryer? I was expecting it to be around the door. Okay, let's go searching. Model number. We found it. It's in the back. Gonna take a look and see why the drum isn't spinning. And what I see on this unit, there's a screw here that's holding one on the other side, but it's missing.
Good?
Yep. Thank you, sir. Everything's good.
You too. Happy Thanksgiving.
Oh, yes.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, yes. Pretty dusty here.
Wow.
I can open the garage. You don't mind, right? That way I can put the stuff. That's okay?
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay. That way I have room. I may have to.
But the only thing is to close it when you put that thing.
Oh, yes.
Because,
The air?
yeah.
Absolutely. Thank you. All right. Take out this space. Set it in the garage so I can have some more room.
Yeah.
Alright, that way I can see pretty good what's going on. Let's see here. Oh, the pulley don't look too bad. Alright, pásame el cable chiquito de blanco. Abierto tiene. Todos los dos cajos por atrás. Make sure that's the only issue. I want to check to make sure that it's heating. Checking to make sure there was a switch, not a It's just the belt that was defective, sir. And that it needs to be vacuumed and cleaned out.
Okay.
All right, so it just needs a new belt, vacuum and cleaned.
Where's the belt? Which one is it?
This one, this is the belt.
Oh.
Yeah, and you can see how it got frayed and damaged. Yep, all right.